Aloha Shamans. It is Tuesday night for wise, wanderers, intuitive, shamans, and elementals. It is October 31st, 2023. So happy Halloween or happy Samhain. We know that Samhain is an old Irish word, means summer's end. And we know that tonight is the eve of Celtic New Year, starts from in November. So we can use this particular energy vortex then, this energy veil, to help heal within. So if we can metaphorically, as we focus on our altar tonight of energy healing, we can notice how we are affected by everyone, everything, and everywhere. And how does this affect our mind, body, and spirit? So let's work on healing within as we're going through this dark part of the year. And we can use the stones tonight will be a Hematite and Smokey Quartz. So as we clear and bless these stones with our own vibration, we'll carry these stones with us or use it anytime we have a healing crisis within. And especially the way we think, how we feel about people, places, and things. And also, of course, about our spiritual life. So make sure we just relax and then make sure we breathe and let's meditate. And now that your aloha bubble is fully engaged with all the beautiful colors of the universe, you have your smoky quartz stone, your hematite stone, helping us to meditate about this dark half of the year, celebrating Celtic New Year, Halloween, or Samhain. To use this energy for inner healing, how we are affected by everyone, everything, and everywhere, and how this impacts our mind, body, and spirit. So use this time to focus on inner healing, how we think, how we are affected mentally, psychologically, intellectually, emotionally. Any memories that are tucked away within all of our cells in the body, to root out those cells that no longer have harmony and light, and bring those issues to the conscious mind for us to heal, to love. And now find yourself very relaxed within your aloha bubble. Hematite, smoky quartz, now part of your vibration. So notice any thoughts that immediately come up. Anything about inner healing. And allows these to come forward. Address those issues. Send it love. And definitely a thank you for teaching you. So do this now. And now, if you will, just focus on those two stones and place one in each palm. Just hold them in your lap, just palm facing up so the stones are open. Imagine being in your aloha bubble. And ask these stones if they will absorb any energy that is not in harmony with your wellness, strength, and power. Anything that wishes to be released from your body, your mind, body, and spirit. Any thoughts, feelings. Ancient memories. Past life memories. Current life memories and experiences. Allow these to just be absorbed by the Smokey quartz and the Hematite. They know that when they absorb these energies, they will remain intact until you clear them, at least on a weekly basis in the sunshine. So in your mind, just see these patterns of disharmony flow out of your body. See them flowing like a little wisp or a little, it's like wind, or maybe like smoke. See them flowing right into the Smokey quartz and Hematite. Notice which stone pulls in the most energy. Remember which stone was in which hand. And use this same pattern until you get an indication that it can be reversed. Or maybe one stone in one hand that's stronger than the other. But still use both stones. Anytime you want to do a healing and a clearing and a blessing. Definitely want to do this for the next 6 months as we celebrate our Celtic New Year here at Halloween. And now once you no longer see any little smoke trails of any energy leaving your body and going into the stones, just say a special thank you to these Smokey quartz and Hematite for having the energy to be able to absorb these disharmonious feelings and energies, to store these energies until they can be released by you. And usually this will be through sunlight. Just place them out. Just early in the morning. Let them sit in the sun all day long. They should be okay by sundown. So come all the way back. Take a nice deep breath. Be fully alert, fully aware, fully conscious. Make any notes you need to make. Hello.